Well, 7,900 feet. You can see Scott coming up behind me here. What'd you say?
Don't do it.
Oh. Scott's putting out a warning to anyone who thinks this is an easy climb. Proving to be quite a challenge.
Very steep.
Good news is,
What's good news?
if I pan around here, I think I can see the inside of the crater wall over yonder. I think right there is the inside of the crater. So that's good. Here's what we got left to do. You can see people climbing up. Beautiful day. Couldn't ask for a better day. Mount Hood, just wonderful off in the distance again, and Mount Adams. I don't know, I can't really see in this viewfinder very well, but in addition to Mount Hood, Mount Jefferson is off in the distance as well. So hopefully it's showing up.
Sasquatch on the move.
Yep.
Oh, is this a flat spot?